Hi there, welcome. I hope you're staying in so that lives can be saved. In today's lesson, I'm going to give you a short tutorial on how to do a long shadow. I'm going to first of all set my background. I'm going to change this background color. I'm going to pick something like that. I'm going to paint that in. I'm going to add another layer and I'm going to create a border with this. So I'm going to choose a similar color of the background, just make it a little bit lighter. I'm going to paint that in with my marquee tool. I'm just going to just eyeballing. I'm just going to create another rectangle in the middle and then I'm going to press delete and it's going to just delete the inside portion of my rectangle. I'm going to press Control D to deselect. And now I'm going to type in my text. So I'm going to pick up my text tool and I'm going to change this color. I'm going to go for a deeper color and I'm just going to type in the word just hello. I'm going to press Control T to activate my selection and I'm going to stretch it to scale it. And I'm going to set it right there. I'm going to double click to deselect. I'm going to change this color to white so it pops more against our background. Now I'm going to show you how to do the 3D long shadow. So before we do anything, we want to make a copy of our text. So click on our layer and then drag it to the duplicate icon, which is the symbol of the square with the plus in the middle, and you will generate a copy. We want to turn off our copy layer. We're going to go back to the original layer, which says hello, and then go to the top bar and then choose 3D. From 3D, choose 3D extrusion. It's going to ask you if you are about to create a 3D layer, would you like to switch to 3D workspace? We want to say no. But in case you do, all you need to do is to go to your essential and change it. It will be on a 3D, you change it to essential, and it will come back to the default. What we want to do is to play around with our property bar, but my property bar is not showing up. Go to Windows and then choose your properties. Once you go into properties, under extrusion depth, we want to take it all the way up. And as you do that, if you look at your top plan, you can see that it begins to shift your shadow, the length of your shadow. So we want to take it all the way and then uncheck your catch shadow and then your cast shadow. And then the last thing we want to do is to go to this icon, which is your deform icon. We're going to click on that. Once we have it clicked, we're going to go down and then choose share. So once you have share chosen, we want to begin to play with this. And now the last thing you want to do, we want to set the degrees to 90. And I'm just going to play with my horizontal. And I think I like the way it looks. I'm going to click on the layer, which is the copy, and I'm going to collapse this. We don't want the white drop shadow. We just want to change it to black. So to do that, you're going to press Control, hold it down, and then click on your layer, which says hello, not the copy. So now that we have selected our shadow, we want to turn this off. You can delete it since you're not going to need it anymore. And we are going to create a new layer. So we are going to go to our adjustment layer and then choose solid color. And we want to choose maybe a black and we're going to click OK. So once we have this, you want to go to your opacity and you just want to reduce your opacity so you get the effect that you want. The other thing we can also do is to add a gradient effect to our shadow. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to group this color fill by clicking on my group icon. And now what I want to do is that I'm going to add a layer mask to this group. And then I'm going to use my gradient tool and I'm just going to do this. So you begin to see that we have a gradual effect of our shadow from light to dark. I hope you found this tutorial very helpful and it's something that you are going to use in your creative design. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell for all future uploads. And as always, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you taking the time to go through my tutorial. Bye!